guys, what's going on? Welcome back to RuelTV. I hope all of you are doing good. It's nice to see you again. Are you fan of editing? Well, this channel is for you. This channel teaches different concepts of editing that will surely enhance and develop your editing skills. I know you are new to this channel. Just be updated to latest concept of editing. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so that you are always updated and notified to all of my branded and amazing manipulation of editing. You are really lucky since you are in a channel wherein all editing skills are packed. And now, let's do edits!
Be on our side. Why don't we find a way to compromise? Don't wanna see both sides. How can we be so blind? Everyone just wants to live. There's still a chance for us up in the stars above. We could find peacefulness. It's not too late. We can be saved. I'm feeling more alive and I see hope on the horizon. It's not too late. We can be saved. I'm feeling more alive and I see hope on the horizon. Feel it, feel There's good in everyone. We'll always win with love. It just might take some more work, but together we'll try. Somehow we'll reunite and see the beauty in this world. It's not too late. We can be saved. I'm feeling more alive and I see hope on the horizon. It's not too late. We can be saved. I'm feeling more alive and I see hope on the horizon. Feel it, feel
Come to the sun with me, so I can show you something you've never seen. And both you and I shouldn't be too shy about letting go for once. Come and be free with me. Just look straight ahead. Don't you stay behind. Don't stay behind. Trying to make you feel right, 'cause our stars are aligned. Can I make up your mind? Follow me to the light. There is so much we can do in this life. Let it sink in. This is where we begin. Oh. need to know. Now that you understand what I'm trying to show you, is that you and I shouldn't be too shy about letting go for once. Come, let your spirit glow. Just look straight ahead, don't you stay behind, don't stay behind. Try to make you feel right, 'cause our stars are aligned. Can I make up your mind? Follow me to the light. There is so much we can do in this life. Let it sink in, this is where we begin.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. You can make me. again. No, no, no. Walking on the plane as I hold my breath. It's gonna be weeks till I breathe again. No, no, no. And I know that you hate it, and I hate it just as much as you. But if you can brave it, I can brave it all for you. Call me anytime you can see the lightning. Don't you be alone, you can always find me. We got a wild raging, raging, like among a million chain of faces. Every your eyes can trade places. We got a wild raging, raging. Checking into hotel loneliness. It's not what I've been used to, I confess. I wake up 3 times a night. And I know that you hate it, and I hate it just as much as you. But if you can brave it, I can brave it all for you. Call me anytime you can see the lightning. Don't you be alone, you can always find me. We got a wild raging, raging, like among a million chain of faces. Every your eyes can trade places. We got a wild raging, raging. can be saved. I'm feeling more alive and I see hope on the horizon. It's not too late.
Finally, we are now done. Just simply save it and it will look like this.
I see hope on the horizon. Feel it, feel it.
Want more videos? Don't worry, I have a lot of tutorials that I will going to upload soon. Just subscribe to be updated. If you enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to give a like, and if you have some questions, suggestions or clarifications about the video, just leave it to the comment section below and I'll see you there. See you next time!